Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Standard Notes for free step-by-step. Standard Notes offers a free plan that lets you create secure, end-to-end encrypted notes and sync them across your devices without paying for a subscription. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Standard Notes website. Create a free account using your email address and a strong password, or sign in if you already have an account. Next, download and install the Standard Notes app on your Windows PC, Mac, Linux computer, Android phone, or iPhone. Yeah, you can also use the web version if you don't want to install any software. After installation, sign in with the same account on each device to enable secure synchronization. Once you're logged in, start creating notes by selecting New Note or the plus button. You can write personal reminders, meeting notes, study materials, checklists, journal entries, or any other text you want to keep organized. Your notes are automatically saved and securely synchronized. To stay organized, use descriptive note titles and create tags to group similar notes together. You can also use the built-in search feature to quickly find information whenever your notes collection grows. The free version includes the core note-taking experience with secure synchronization and encryption. If you ever need advanced editors or additional premium features, you can review the available subscription plans, but the free version is enough for everyday note-taking. And that's it. You now know how to use Standard Notes for free and securely manage your notes across all your devices without paying for a subscription. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next